I'm doing my week 2 expense summary, everything that I have spent. So let's get started. I have highlighted week 1 in green and just kind of turned the font gray because that's kind of irrelevant at this point. So let's get started with week 2 groceries. So I've already screenshotted everything from my credit card, posted and pending transactions, as well as transactions from my checking account because there were 2 payments that went from my checking account. So let's get started. All right, groceries is Instacart 45 plus 0.65 plus Instacart again 1049 plus 65. That would be all of the Instacart, which is 121. I did something. I think this 1049 is actually how is that possible? Okay, let's just keep going. Eating out is going to be Subway 524 plus JJ Bean 856 plus the Uber Eats is actually getting refunded because I never got the order. So that is all for eating out. BC Hydro ended up being 30.51, so we saved some money there. Insurance didn't happen. Uppercase, I forgot the 641 in eating out plus 641. There we go. So a little bit confused here because I just placed this order yesterday and that seems really high, so I need to check the receipt and I need to check. I think this 1049 is the membership one, which is supposed to be in week 3, but I guess it went out in week 2. So let me just insert some cells because I know for a fact that was not part of the grocery bill. Oh, what did I do? Okay, there we go. So I'm going to cut and paste this here, and this ended up being 1049, and remove this from here, but I'm still over budget and a little bit confused there. So I'm gonna need to see. So I literally did 45.65, and yeah, weird. Okay, I'm gonna have to check that. And also, like, I'm not sure if honestly this whole 65 should go to week 2, just because I bought it yesterday and now I've started week 3, but I guess I'll leave it here for now. I know the overall is going to balance out anyway. Like, I know I did not overspend, so yeah. Okay, I'm going to remove this insurance from here because I am looking into my insurance. I'm just going to put this in the very end and it's going to mess up everything now. Let's just see. Let's just redo these formulas for week 2 without that insurance. And there we go. Now everything will be back to order. So we'll just do that and get rid of that. And I'm just going to delete this row. Okay, so let's just do a quick recap. So we took BC Hydro 30.51 and 45.65 done. Apple.com, this was a wrong one. This was for a subscription and I already reported it and they have said that they will be refunding me for this. So I have not put this $17.91 anywhere in the budget. 524 Subway went in to eating out. $113.57 Fido Bill. I haven't put this in yet, which I will put in the August monthly. This is over by $24. I need to call Fido and talk to them about some roaming charges that they've put for the US trip that I took last month. So really annoyed about that because I had called ahead and made sure there would be no roaming charges when I called Canadian to Canadian numbers. But there is. Okay, JJ Bean 856 went into eating out. Shoppers Drug Mart 671. I did not put this in anywhere. This is actually a gift card. I mean a birthday card. So I will need to see where I plug this in. I kind of I'm thinking right now. Okay, so I need to plug that 671 from a sinking fund, I guess, or I could plug it in eating out. Let me just do that. It's just easier since I'm under budget there, and even the combination of these two is still well, actually that would be over budget, the combo of maybe I'll keep eating out. Accurate. Okay, so I need to put 671 in somewhere, 1049, and I mean the Instacart fee that I paid yesterday, and then 65 is for the order, Uber Eats. I did want to splurge a bit because I knew I had some money left, but I guess it was a good thing that it didn't work out because I would have gone over budget. And yeah, I'm pretty sure the 65 is actually the hold money, not the actual total order money. Let me just quickly look at the receipt because I am pretty sure I did not, there were quite a few things that they did not find. So let's see, Instacart receipt order. Yeah, it's supposed to be 38.36. I knew it. I freaking knew it. Okay, so I'm gonna change that to 38.36, and I will add the 6.71 for the birthday card in there as well. Okay, so that makes me feel a lot better because I was like, I did not spend 65 yesterday because I did not. So it is $38.36. I'm gonna really have to make sure that Instacart does actually only charge me that amount and not the 65 like goes away. So I'll keep an eye on that. But yeah, so the groceries that I got because there were a whole bunch of refunds was $38.36. So now I feel a lot better about that. So yeah, overall I knew money, like I was good this week, which makes me really, really happy. And of course I got some groceries like yesterday. Some I got 2 avocados, 2 bananas, and some other things that will obviously last me for like I'll use them this week, so I feel really good about that. Okay, so that is everything. This is refund. So maybe I will do a quick refund check, credit card, and I'll make a list. Uber Eats 1820, and Apple 1791, just so I can track them and also show you guys next time that I did track them. Did I put the 641 in eating out? I did. Okay, just want to make sure that I am taking everything in. Okay, so these 2 are refunds, and then I need to call Fido, but that's a separate thing. And then I have to check on Instacart. Should be 38.36, not 65. So I'll keep an eye out on these 3 things, but I've just put it in here for ease of reference and just for remembering purposes. So that will be good. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that was week 2 for the basic categories. Now let's come here. I spent absolutely nothing on week 2 here, which again was purposeful. It makes me happy. I am trying to save up for some things, and I was really trying to see if I can get away with not spending from this category. So I feel really, really good, but I will be spending it, and I will be spending money in week 3 and 4 for sure. So let's see how much we need. Spending money, we need 530 plus 135 plus 2. Okay, so that's 927.84 is what needs to be in my bank account after all of this being paid. Is 927.48. Was it 927.48 or 84? I think it was 84. That's not it. Yeah, 927.84. But that's after week 4 being paid. So that's good. That's a good sum. It's a good check. So nothing happening in the cash envelopes. Did not use anything at all in week 2. Feel really, really good about that. Feel really good about coming total under budget as well. So it's really, really good. It's going well, guys. I am sticking to it. Now let's go to August and fill stuff up, because we need to fill this 113.57 for my Fido, which is very annoying because I am obviously over budget. So let's do this. So 113.57 minus 45, because we put the other 45 here in the iPhone category. So it's 68.57 and I am over. And that's upsetting. Oops, sorry, we did the wrong formula. That needs to be a negative. And that is obviously no good. Okay, so this is going to be 0 for now. Groceries, let's add week 2 groceries from the weekly spending. It's 90.72. Let's add the eating out as well. Weekly spending, week 2 eating out is 2021. Let's add Instacart is 10.49. Let's add BC Hydro is ended up being 30.51. So that's great. Telus hasn't come out yet. Okay, so how are we doing? We're doing good. It needs to come out. This is obviously 2.90. Yeah, and then the other thing I've thought about is putting some money in the TFSA, which is why I'm being focused on the planning of just saving more and more. Okay, so that is the picture so far. Haven't used up any other singing funds, and we are feeling good. So this is obviously red, right? So let's put that in red. But other than that one, we're doing pretty well on all the categories. We're coming either on budget or under budget thus far. So let's see how the last 2 weeks of August go. I'm really, really excited, and that is pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.